Hi, Lou from Lou's Garden and Farm Equipment. I'm here to do a little demonstration on the Eurosystem RTT3. I got to clean that up a little bit. Little rear tang rototiller. It's approximately 24 inches across. A little lever in the middle is the depth gauge. Going over the features here. Like I said, it's about 24 inches across. It's got the Briggs Stratton Vanguard engine. It's got a 2-speed, represented by the turtle and the hare there. Right now it's in second gear, or hare speed, I guess. And it's got a rapid reverse here. So it doesn't operate the tine. The tine gets disconnected when you let go of this lever, but then pull this back and it goes into rapid reverse, which is kind of a nice feature to back out of corners and stuff like that. This is your activation lever. It's got a little safety hitch right there. You just push it forward. And the nice thing about this is you can walk beside it like that, you see? And this is your throttle. So we'll put it up a little bit because we're going to start this. Your choke. Oh, I want to talk a little bit about the wheels. And this actually has a freestanding, which is that. This is what actually drives it. And you can actually hook this onto the pin right there. Or conversely, you can just lay it like this and it gives you some free play. And like this, it's just free spinning wheel. And it's not very heavy, so you can push it around pretty good. So let's just lock her up for this application. So we'll just spin the wheel a little bit more. There you go. Do the same thing on this side. In some applications you do want it to spin a little bit, like if you're snow blowing, you want a lot of turns or something. But we're going fairly straight here. So there's that. Going fairly straight for a fairly long way. So we just want to lock those wheels and give it a pull, start it up. Get the throttle going. One of the nice things about that is that you can stand beside it and just activate it. So what we're going to do is take the safety off, which is this little hook right here, and then get a little bit more throttle there. Alright, that's going a little quick, so I'm going to go down to first the turtle speed and see how that goes. If I can get it in there.